Welcome to Brooklyn. I love New York and how sweet it is. This is Shore Road Park right alongside of the Verrazzano-Narrows Bridge to the borough of Staten Island. This area here is the Fort Hamilton area of Brooklyn, and many great views from Shore Road Park. Now here is Shore Road and the Belt Parkway, which is how this walkway gets its name. And there would be Hoffman and Swinburne Island. Now these islands are no longer available for people to visit, but if you wanted to see the seal population or look into some of the history of when the immigrants arrived to this region, that is when those islands were used. But now they are homes to seals. Behind that would be Sandy Hook, New Jersey. Beautiful view of a July summer sunset of the Verrazzano Bridge. Now, we can walk alongside of the Belt Parkway and Shore Road. You can go fishing, but you cannot walk across the Verrazano Bridge to Staten Island, but you can see it quite nicely. Now you can walk here though from the last stop on the subway, which would be Bay Ridge. Took the R train. It's about 12 miles from the Empire State Building, and just walk down 4th. You can see the bridge as soon as you exit the subway. And I'm taking this route as in front of us we see beautiful Coney Island, New York, with the Atlantic Ocean beach. Now tonight is a special night in, as Coney Island has their Friday night fireworks. And one of the other great things about walking Shore Road Park is you can actually see the Coney Island Lighthouse. Not many people even know that Coney Island has a lighthouse, and that's because it is in the private community of Seagate. It is a gated community, so when you're walking along Seagate, the end of Mermaid Avenue, you will not really be able to see it. So this is actually the best way to see the Coney Island Lighthouse. And if you are lucky, as we are looking at Gravesend Bay, you may even see a mermaid. This is where they come on shore, the Coney Island area. They are probably good friends with the seals who live here on Hoffman Island. And that is a quick view. I'm going to walk over to Coney Island Luna Park for this summer sunset and Friday night fireworks. Till next time, from Ever Beautiful, I love New York.